Odinga roiga Ruto arenda gutereba wamurani wa arugamiriri ero a commission eo. Athutha ucio Odinga na timu ya Azimio mauma na mucemanio mwena wa Githurai kuria moritie muingi ndugakire ukihatirerio ni thirikari na njira thogora wa muturire kuongererwo. Wajiko wa Kimanini unatariria.
Mĩario ya President William Ruto muthenya wa ira ati mitambo ya githurano ni ahingurirwo na gukionekana wahotire githurano-ini giao President nio irarakite timu ya Azimio iria yugite President ndarera muingi ma.
Hiyo servers hazijafunguliwa. Sisi kama wale ambao walienda katika mahakama kupitia kwa wakili yetu tulitaka servers zifunguliwe ili zikaguliwe tujue matokeo kamili ya uchaguzi. Lakini ile kampuni ambayo ilijiriwa na ambayo alileta hizo mitambo hapa inaitwa Smartmatic ikaandika barua mnamo tarehe 31 mwezi wa 8 kwa shirika ya IBC ikisema ya kwamba hawezi kufungua hizo servers kamwe.
Atongoria ya Azimio macokete mageka mucemanio wa muingi Githurai kaunti-ini ya Kiambu kuria merite muingi ati itanya ria President Ruto ni gutongoria commission ya IEBC.
Nataka gharama ya maisha ishuke ndani ya wiki mbili, siku 14.
Wale ambao walilaliwa pakubwa dunia hii ya Kenya ni watu ya mlima. Kula za watu wa mlima ziliporwa kuliko kona ingine yote Kenya hii.
Nataka ninyi mujiulize hiyo pesa imeenda wapi? Ndio sababu mlikuwa mnaambiwa ati pesa mifukoni. Watu wa Githurai, kuna pesa imeingia mifuko yenu? Niwaambie siri, ile pesa yenu ya subsidy ndio wabunge wanatunga laini kule State House. Kila wiki wananunua wabunge wa ODM, wananunua wabunge wa Jubilee, wananunua wabunge wa Azimio. Badala ya Ruto kuweka pesa mifukoni mwenu, watu wa Githurai, anaweka pesa kwa mifuko ya wadosi, waheshimiwa wa wabunge.
Sauti yako ndio imenyongwa. Sauti ambayo ingeleta maisha bora kwako, ilete unga wa bei nafuu, isomeshe mtoto wako, ikuletee baba care. Sasa ile imebaki sababu whistleblower amefichua. Ni wewe kuamua utaendelea kufinyika au utatoa idhini tutimue viongozi badia. Mimi nimesema niko tayari kulipa gharama sababu hakuna kitu mzuri hutoka bila jasho.
Timu ino itanyitwo gugakorwo na mucemanio ungi Kakamega muthenya wa rucio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV jetagwo Wajiko wa Kimanini.
Mwikoero munene wa kubanga gutharikira nyumba mucii wa micemanio ya KICC na bomu ni ohetwo kihokia miaka 20. Victor Bwire atwireirwo kihokiu ni mucirithania Bernard Ochoi uria ugite akorotharikiriro ni rahanekire igere na hathara nene kuona nyumba ya KICC ina muigana wa guikara andu makiria ma 10,000 kwa ihinda rimwe. Anyitetwo na mahitia mere kuria ihitia ria mbere ohetwo miaka 10 na ria keri miaka 20. Maureen wa Ndwati ena ripoti ino.
Mucirithania munene wa igoti ria Milimani Bernard Ochoi augete nyumba ya KICC ni mwe ya itugi cia bururi na ithiagwo makiria ni atongoria na ina muigana wa guikara andu makiria ma 10,000 na angikorwo tharikira ino ni yahanikire kungirari na hathara nene.
The Kenyatta International Convention Center is an icon and landmark for Kenya. It is a leading facility in meetings industry in this region. It is the home of many offices, both private and government offices, and houses some legislators. According to the pre-sentence report, it can accommodate up to 10,000 guests in a conference at a time.
Bwire hamwe na mwikuiro ungi Mohamed Abdallah marerikana gwetha uhoro muiganu wa nyumba ya KICC uria ungira mahotithirie kumitharikira. Victor Bwire akundikitwo kioho kia miaka 20 kona aranyitikanire na mahitia meri. Ihitia rĩa mbere ohetwo miaka 10 na rĩa keri ohetwo miaka 20.
The accused will serve a sentence of 10 years imprisonment, while in count 2, the accused person will serve a sentence of 20 years imprisonment.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Waithira wa Ndwati.
Gikundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩa elimu bora nĩ matongoretie anyiti itemi angĩ mataiganĩire na ũkinyanĩria wa gĩthomo rungu rwa mũtaratara mwerũ wa CBC. Marauga thirikari ĩratwarithia gĩthomo gĩkĩ ĩtarĩ na mũbango mũkinyanĩru ciumia ithatũ kuma arutwo a junior secondary mahingũra thukuru. Nginyagia rĩu gĩthomo gĩkĩ gĩtirĩ kĩrambĩrĩria wega thukuru-inĩ cia mũingĩ.
It would be good to
Gikundi kia elimu bora hamwe na anyiti itemi angĩ nĩo aica ikuhĩ kuongerera mũgambo wao mateta-inĩ ma meharĩrĩria ma thirikari harĩ gũkinyanĩria gĩthomo gĩkĩro-inĩ kia junior secondary.
Why is it that we don't have adequate funds allocated in the recruitment of the number of teachers required to roll out this system? Why is it that there is no adequate budgeted allocation to support the infrastructure development that is required to roll out the junior secondary school?
Magĩtetia ũhoro wa ũnyihu wa arutani a junior secondary thukuru-inĩ cia mũingĩ, marauga ciumia ithatũ kuma arutwo aya mahingũra gũtirĩ na gĩthomo mathomete.
There is completely nothing going on in most of the grade 7 classes. In these schools, as we've pointed out, the government recruited 30,000 teachers. We've asked for an update on where these teachers are, because there are some schools which are yet to receive even a single teacher.
There are credible reports that parents are opting to have their children skip grade 7 to join standard 8, which is basically means moving from CBC back to 844.
Gukorwo gĩcunjĩ kĩnene kĩa arutwo a grade ya 7 matirĩ marahũra riboti thukuru nĩ ũndũ gĩkundi gĩkĩ kĩrauga nĩ wa kũmakania makĩra thirikari yo ikinya gwethana nao.
With the rate currently standing between 60 to 80%, and the big question remains, where are the rest of the students? In real figures, this translates to around 200,000 students who cannot be accounted for.
Children who have been wronged because they are not learning, continuing to have them there not learning is wronging them even more. I think we better count our losses and reorganize ourselves.
Kuria bunge-inĩ cierĩ ndũmĩrĩri yao nĩ handũ ha gũtetia gĩthomo gĩkĩ gĩa CBC moe makinya marĩa magĩrĩire kĩwatho gũkinyitĩrĩra ta gũtigĩrĩra kũrĩ na mbeca njiganu iria mathukuru marabatara. Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Na tũgĩcokereria
Mũirĩtu gũikio nja ya matatũ ĩgĩthiaga thutha wa ngucanio ya ikanga agĩtia gũcokerio stage.
Gũkũ Top Care Lands Kenya nĩ tũreheanaga taito o Saturday. Oho twĩna mũgũnda